Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. If you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I am going to check the sound now. I honestly don't understand why I have to do it all the time, but sometimes my earpods don't work randomly. Good morning, Gina. Come to fast forward. Oh, great. The sound is good. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Jean. Finally, our storm ended, although it was really nice to have this wind and the lower temperature. Right now it's quite muggy and hot. All right, it is time for us to start. Yesterday we discussed that full attention is a doorway to true compassion and real love. Yet our full attention is certainly not automatic. It takes intention and it takes effort. Sometimes we don't even realize our own inattention until we start turning into tuning into our lives with great awareness. Only then can we see clearly and make more intentional choices about how to move forward with greater compassion. Let me read you another excerpt from Sharon Salzberg's book that illustrates this. My friend Jason tells a story about a sudden realization he had about the man who helps him tend his family's garden. We were grateful for his work, but never really engaged with him beyond it, Jason explains. One day, I accompanied him on a trip to the dump. As we drove, he informed me that he was going to be gone for a month. When I asked him where he was going, he told me that he was going to India to promote his book. It turned out that he was an author of spiritual books, that he had studied as a young person in ashrams in India and the United States, and that we had several friends in common. I was so embarrassed that I had failed to see him as a person. Here I was, writing and sharing about spirituality and love, while failing to see the person right in front of me who was doing the same. It was a great reminder for me to see people, not labels or our preconceived judgments. Jason's writing and spiritual work are both built on his deep interest in learning about, understanding, and practicing love, compassion, and mindfulness. He was able to realize his lack of attention toward his family's gardener by really tuning into his process of awareness, recognizing our interdependence, the idea that we all count and that we all deserve to be happy is a practice, something every single one of us must do again and again. And we are all vulnerable to moments of forgetting, failing to see the intricacies of others, their virtues, interests, and other qualities. This typically has nothing to do with a deliberate lack of compassion. Instead, it's related to the fact that we are conditioned to keep to ourselves, to notice strangers only when they threaten or oppose us. Many of us find it easier to focus on problematic situations and troublesome relationships. A picture assembled with blinders on. We favor these blinders, though. We think blinders are the smart choice because we don't want to be distracted by what is going well. It can feel foolish to our vigilant minds if we rest in reflecting that our friends and family are, for the most part, healthy, have homes, eat well, and are doing what they can to improve their lives. When we're feeling low, it is especially hard to cast aside that problem-centric tunnel vision to find simple peace. At such times, paying attention to the good requires both intention and creativity, an interest in seeing things in a new way. Today, once again, let's do a full loving-kindness practice together to remind ourselves that we all share the simple wish to be happy and healthy, that we all deserve to feel loved and at ease. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be natural, nice and soft without any forcing. And see if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing. letting all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy without struggle. And let's start by sending loving kindness to ourselves. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. You can either stay with a step, sending loving kindness to yourself, or if you feel ready to expand your energy to include other people, now bring to mind somebody you love dearly, a friend or a family member. Remember, just like you, this person wants to be happy and healthy. This person wants to feel at ease. And just like you, they deserve love. So start sending loving kindness to them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind a benefactor, somebody who is a positive influence in your life, and start sending loving kindness to them. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind a neutral person. Maybe you see them every day or often enough, but don't really pay attention to them. Remind yourself that just like you, this person wants to be happy and healthy. They want to feel at ease. And just like you, they deserve love. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. And now think of a challenging person in your life. See if you can extend loving kindness to them. And remember, you don't need to worry about feeling any particular warmth toward that person if it's not happening. It's okay. Simply recite the phrases and notice what comes up for you. Remind yourself that your intention matters. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. And finally, include all living beings in your loving kindness. All the humans and all the non-humans. And remember, not just the ones that appeal to you. Every single creature, even the cockroaches. Remember that just like you, all living beings share the wish to be happy and feel at ease. Just like you, all beings deserve peace. May all beings be filled with loving kindness. May all beings be well, in body and mind. May all beings feel safe, protected, at ease. May all beings know deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of your practice. Scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? Today, I invite you to set an intention to pay full attention to somebody in your life. And try to expand your awareness beyond all the problematic aspects of your relationship or the hardships in this person's life. See if you can shift your focus to all the good things about them too, even if they seem trivial and not attention worthy. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Friday.